Good morning, online followers. I'm Karen Danielson. I'm the Director of Marketing for Parsons, and I'm here with Mike Anderson, Business Development Coordinator for ECS. So, Mike, good morning.
Morning.
We are going to play a word association game today where I'm going to say a word and you're going to say the first thing that comes to mind. Are you ready?
Yes, I think I can do that.
Okay, good. It's early in the morning, so
Yes,
I just want to put that disclaimer
haven't
out
had my
there.
coffee yet. So.
Right. So, first word, electrical.
Electrical.
Mm-hmm.
Technical.
Just one word. Yep.
Technical.
Okay.
There you go.
Fire.
Fire. Very important. Important. There you
Arc
go.
flash.
Dangerous.
Prevention.
Specialty.
Maintenance.
Important.
ECS.
ECS. Professional.
There you go. So check us out online at www.e-c-s.com.
Thank you. Happy Friday.
Yeah, Good Friday.
Good Friday.